What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix unfortunately call management has supported. Now your problem. Okay, let's start it. Follow my all step. First go your phone settings. Now click your phone settings. Phone settings. Scroll down now. Now click apps management. Now click apps. Now search your phone. Now search your phone. Now click your phone. Scroll down now. Now click storage. Now click storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click delete. Now click permission. Now your all permission. Now go back. Now your phone restart. Now click your phone restart. Now your phone restart. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe now my channel.